Morning, dear students of class 4th A and B. This is lesson 10, countable and uncountable noun. We have done this in the online class, and this is the video of the explanation. If you found any kind of network problem in between and if you were not able to understand. Now clearly, countable and uncountable noun, as the name suggests. First of all, before jumping into the topic countable and uncountable noun, you know that what are nouns, isn't it? In English, we know that what are noun. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. So we have countable and uncountable noun in English. Now, as the name suggests, countable means countable. Now, countable noun, it means that those nouns which we can count. Those nouns which we can count. Count means on fingers we can count. ठीक है, जो हम जिन भी nouns को हम count कर सकते हैं, जिन्हें हम गिन सकते हैं, that they are countable nouns. And uncountable nouns are those nouns which we cannot count, which we only measure. ठीक है, जिनको हम सिर्फ measure करते हैं. Those nouns which we cannot count are uncountable nouns. Now count and write the number of the person. Now this is the warm-up exercise. Count and write the number of persons, animals or things in these pictures. Now we have how many girls here? We have 2 girls, then we have 3 rabbits, and then we have 4 flowers. Okay, we have 2 girls, we have 3 rabbits, and then we have 4 flowers, and then we have how many clowns here? We have 3 clowns here. We can see 3 clowns. Then how many penguins? There are 3 big penguins and baby penguin, 1 more. So we have 4 penguins, and then we have 4 apples. Now all these nouns which we can count, they are all countable nouns. We can count girls, clowns, rabbits and penguins. We can count flowers and apples also. Girl, clown, rabbit, penguin, flower and apple are countable noun. They are countable noun which can be counted. Now try to count these. Can you count all these? Sugar. This is sugar. Can you count? No, we cannot count. Can we count milk? We cannot count milk. Can we count water? We cannot count water. Understood? These 3 things we cannot count it. Will not be able to count it. How will you count a sugar? Okay, sugar we cannot count, milk we cannot count, and water cannot be counted. So we cannot count sugar, milk or water. So sugar, milk and water are uncountable nouns. So these are uncountable nouns. Both countable nouns and uncountable nouns are common nouns. Okay, they are common nouns. They are not proper nouns, they are common nouns. Okay, so both countables and uncountable nouns, they are common nouns. Now coming to the definition which we have written. Nouns which can be counted are called countable, okay, or count nouns. Okay, the other name of countable noun is count nouns, and the second is nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. They are uncountable nouns. Also they are called as uncount nouns. I hope you have understood this. Now coming to this one. Again, this uncountable noun. Now many of the children, they do this mistake when I give them a jar of sugar. Now jar of sugar, if I say jar of sugar, whole jar of sugar, okay, so they call it uncountable, but actually when I say jar of sugar becomes countable. Okay, but when I only say sugar, that is uncountable. I hope you are understanding. Okay, same way a glass of milk. Okay, glass of milk, the whole glass of milk, जो मैंने आपको बोला, the glass of milk, when taken it as a whole glass of milk, it becomes countable. Understood? Same way water. Now I have a water bottle here, so if I say if I keep this water bottle here, this is countable. Okay, 1 water bottle, countable, but the water in this is uncountable. But when I say just water, it is uncountable. Okay, it is uncountable. I hope you are understanding. Same way, when I say chocolate, just chocolate is uncountable. Just chocolate is uncountable. Okay, but when I say bar of chocolate, then it is when I say bar of chocolate, then it is countable. Just chocolate is uncountable. When I say a bar of chocolate or a piece of chocolate, then it becomes countable. Okay, then it becomes countable. Now coming to page number 23. Now many of you had a confusion in this. Now this is, we have done this in the book. I will send the answer key. ठीक है, I know I've been saying that I will send the answer key, but I don't know, somehow I'm not getting time, but today I've got time, so I'm making this video, and then I'll send you the answer key also in the WhatsApp group. Now what we have to do, we have to write C for the countable nouns and uncountable, and U for the uncountable nouns. Now first is T. Okay, T is uncountable. I don't know why I've written here C. It should be uncountable. Okay, T is uncountable. चाय को आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते हो, सो टी इज़ अनकाउंटेबल. ठीक है. नाउ कप इज़ काउंटेबल. कप कैन बी काउंटेड. कप इज़ काउंटेबल. मिल्क इज़ अनकाउंटेबल. Understood? Bottle is countable. We can count the bottle. Then coming to gold. Yes, gold is uncountable. Gold is uncountable. How? Now gold, हम जो सोना बोलते हैं, जैसे the gold, the earrings and the jewelries have been made of gold. Gold is actually uncountable. You cannot count the gold because gold is in liquid form. जब वो थोड़ा कच्चा होता है या फिर जब पक्का वो बना नहीं होता है, गोल्ड इज़ इन लिटिल बिट ऑफ लिक्विड फॉर्म. जब उसको गर्म किया जाता है, उसको तपाया जाता है, देन इट बिकम लिटिल हार्ड. देन ऑल्सो it will be considered as uncountable. But when I say gold earring, then it becomes countable. When I say gold earring, it becomes countable. Understood? Gold jewelry, then it becomes countable. उसको फिर हम count कर सकते हैं. But gold is uncountable. Same way ring is countable. Ring can be counted. Ring is countable. Now page here. Page is countable. You can count the pages. Okay, page is countable. Then coming to paper. Paper is uncountable. Why? Because now see, this is a paper. This is made up of certain material. Okay, so paper in a pure form I cannot count it. But when I say piles of paper, then it becomes countable. When I say piles of paper, then it becomes countable. Okay, piles of paper, it becomes countable. But simple paper is uncountable. Page countable. You can count the pages, isn't it? हम books pages count कर सकते हैं. So we can count the pages. So page is countable. Coming to cake. Now cake is here uncountable. Simple cake it is given. Simple cake. Cake here is uncountable. Okay, cake here is uncountable. But when I say slice of cake, or piece of cake, then it becomes countable. Understood? Otherwise it is uncountable. केक, आप बहुत सारे बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि केक मैम एक केक हम काउंट तो कर सकते हैं, दैट वी कैन काउंट इट 1 2 3 4 5. बट हैव यू नोटिस दैट केक इज़ मेड आउट ऑफ ऑल अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. जो केक है, केक को किस तरीके से बनाया जाता है? ठीक है, उसमें मैदा वट एवर इट इज़, है ना. ठीक है, आप वो चीज़ें डालते हो, आप उसमें डालते हो, मिल्क ऐड करते हो. ऑल दीज आर अनकाउंटेबल. जब उसको वो बनता है, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड, मैं प्योर फॉर्म की बात कर रही हूँ. हियर इज़ द प्योर फॉर्म ऑफ केक. ओके, देन इट इज़ अनकाउंटेबल. बट व्हेन आई से स्लाइस ऑफ केक, व्हेन आई हैव गिवन यू अ पीस ऑफ केक, इज़ इट अनकाउंटेबल और काउंटेबल? देन इट बिकम्स काउंटेबल. तब आप पीस को काउंट कर सकते हो, स्लाइस को काउंट कर सकते हो. देन इट बिकम्स काउंटेबल. स्टोन कैन बी काउंटेड. स्टोन, it can be counted, so it is countable. Chocolate here is uncountable. As I explained you, chocolate is uncountable because chocolate is also in pure form. जब फैक्ट्री में चॉकलेट बन रहा होता है, that is liquid, then it should be uncountable. But when I say a bar of chocolate or a piece of chocolate, then it becomes countable. Okay, then coming to bar is countable. Okay, bar is countable. Then next is fruit. Now fruit, if I say proper noun, then it becomes countable. Mangoes. Okay, mangoes, then you can count it. But fruit, any fruit, it is it will be uncountable. Okay, fruit, any fruit, understood, common noun. But अगर मैं proper noun करती हूँ, like fruit, mangoes you can count, cherries you can count, then you can count apple, a particular fruit you can count. But when I say common noun, just fruit, it is uncountable. Understood? Same way food, आप फूड को भी काउंट नहीं कर सकते हो, ठीक है. फूड इज़ ऑल्सो अनकाउंटेबल. फूड एंड फ्रूट दे आर अनकाउंटेबल. कमिंग टू मैंगो अभी ये आ गया. नाउ दिस इज़ अ पर्टिकुलर फ्रूट, मैंगो इज़ काउंटेबल. अंडरस्टूड. नेक्स्ट इज फूड अनकाउंटेबल. वी कैन नॉट काउंट फूड, है ना. Yes, we can count chapatis. Can you count rice? No. But all together, when food is kept on the on the table, in the plate, when the food is kept, you cannot count it. Understood? You cannot count it. On a whole, I'm telling you on a whole. Chapati आप count कर सकते हो, ठीक है, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you will not be able to count rice. ठीक है, आप rice नहीं count कर पाओगे. Food में आप साथ में पानी भी पी रहे हो. वाटर यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू काउंट. आप दही भी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप दही खा रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर ईटिंग कर्ड विद द फूड इन द मील. कैन यू काउंट अ कर्ड? नो. सो दैट इज़ वाई वी कॉल इट अनकाउंटेबल. फूड इज़ अनकाउंटेबल. सेम वे सैंड इज़ ऑल्सो अनकाउंटेबल. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट वन, ग्रास वी कैन नॉट काउंट, सो इट इज़ अनकाउंटेबल. Chair can be counted. This is easy. It is countable. Butter cannot be counted. It is uncountable. Honey, it cannot be counted, so it is uncountable. I hope this one is clear to you. ठीक है. If anyone by chance, if anyone still has any doubt, can ask me. Now coming to the second exercise, this we did in the online class also. The blade of grass. Okay, the blade of grass is uncountable. Pinch of salt. अब नाउ ये पूरा आपका काउंटेबल बन जाता है. अ ब्लेड ऑफ ग्रास, अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट. अभी देखो, अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट मीन्स अब चुटकी भर, एक चुटकी, है ना. अब एक चुटकी, 1 पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट, वो काउंटेबल है. 2 पिंचेस ऑफ सॉल्ट, 3 पिंचेस ऑफ सॉल्ट, ये तो काउंटेबल हो गया. सो व्हेन वी टेक इट एज अ होल, a pinch of salt, then it becomes countable. But when we take only salt, it becomes uncountable. Same way, a spoon of sugar. ठीक है, a spoon of sugar is uncountable, but a spoon of sugar is countable. Same way, a cake of soap. When we say only soap, it is uncountable. When we say only soap, जब हम बोलेंगे only soap, then it is uncountable. Just take care of it. If I have said soap, if I have asked you whether this is countable or uncountable, you will write it is uncountable. But when I say cake of soap, then it becomes countable because I can count. This is one cake of soap. ठीक है. Same way, a drop of water uncountable, but when I say drop of water, then it becomes countable. 2 drops of water, 3 drops of water, isn't it? Same way, a heap of sand together taken, it will be countable, but only sand, it will be uncountable. Understood? 1 heap of sand, 2 heaps of sand. Then coming to the bottle of milk. A bottle of milk countable, only milk uncountable. Same way, a slice of cake countable altogether, but only cake uncountable. Then a kilo of flour. Okay, kilo of flour, it will be countable, and but just only flour, it will be uncountable. I hope you have understood this. Thank you so much, children.